Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the IELTS listening section. As you can see in the image, if you are scoring between 26 to 29, that is band 6.5. Then, if you are scoring between 30 and 31, that is band 7. If your score is 32 to 34, that is band 7.5. If your score is 35 or 36, it is band 8, and just like that, if you are scoring 39 and 40, it is band 9. Talking about the format of the IELTS listening part, there are 4 sections in total, and in each section there are 10 questions. That means you have to attempt 40 questions in total. The audio for the listening part is played only once, and you are not allowed to repeat it. And the questions get harder as you progress throughout the test. It means that section 1 is the easiest and section 4 is the hardest. Also, please note that over the course of the test, you will hear a variety of voices. That means that you have to be familiar with accents such as British English, Australian accent, American accent, and Canadian accent. Now, talking about the type of questions in the listening test, you will be asked a variety of different type of questions which will be as follows. You may come across questions such as matching, multiple choice, sentence completion or table completion, summary completion, short answer type questions, map and plan labeling, or diagram and flowchart completion. As mentioned above, there are 4 sections in the IELTS listening test. The section 1 is a conversation between 2 people which is set in an everyday social context. For example, it may be a conversation which is for booking tickets to a theatre. The section 2 is a monologue which is set in an everyday social context. For example, it may be a welcome speech which is for new college students. Section 3 is a bit tricky because in this section it is a conversation between up to 4 people which is set in an educational or training context. For example, a group of students who are discussing a university assignment. Talking about section 4 is again a monologue, but it is based on an academic subject. For example, it may be a lecture on wildlife. In the listening test, it is very important to know about the marking tips. That is, to know that on what basis you will be marked correct or incorrect. First of all, you will be marked incorrect if your spelling is wrong, your answers are grammatically incorrect. It means, for example, if the answer was a car, but you have written only car, then it will be marked incorrect. Next, your answers may be marked incorrect if you have written the incorrect number of words. Incorrect number of word means that before every question, you will be given a maximum or minimum number of words which are permitted in that question. For example, the instructions may ask you to write one word and or a number, or write only one word, or write no more than 2 words. To know more about these instructions in detail, don't forget to follow us.